Here is a recipe for sweet boba tea, bubble tea. Ingredients: 2 cups of water for brewing tea, 2 tea bags or 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea, 1 cup tapioca starch/flour, half a cup sugar or honey, optional, 2 cups water for cooking boba, a quarter cup milk or milk substitute, optional, fruits or food coloring, optional. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, combine the tapioca starch/flour with half a cup of water and food coloring, if using, and knead until a smooth dough forms. Divide the dough into small balls about the size of a small marble. Roll each ball between your palms to make them round. In a separate pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add the tea bags or loose leaf tea and steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bags or strain the loose leaf tea. While the tea is brewing, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in another pot. Once the water is boiling, add the boba balls and reduce the heat to a simmer. Cook for about 15 minutes or until the boba is translucent and chewy. Drain the pearls and rinse them with cold water. This will help to prevent them from sticking together. In a small pot, add half a cup sugar or honey to a quarter cup of water, bring it to a boil. Once the mixture is boiling, add the pearls and cook for another 5 minutes to sweeten them. Drain the pearls and allow them to cool before using them in your drink. Add sweetener to taste to the tea, then add the boba and milk or milk substitute, if using, to the tea. Stir well and enjoy your homemade boba tea. Note: you can adjust the recipe to your preference. For example, you can use green tea or any other type of tea or fruit juice. You can also adjust the amount of boba pearls, sweetener, and milk to your liking.